Alright, boys, let's do this. Alright, bring it in. Alright, let's do this. You guys are gonna go into stations. You guys were to help with the truck. And those guys, you guys are gonna do the bus. Aye, captains. Alright, let's start fixing it up, boys. Alright, you all start. You all start. Hey yo, both of you all put the work clothes on and get ready. We don't want you all dozing on the job again. Build a wall between us so we don't all get mixed up. We're doing it, you idiot! What did you just say to me? You're an idiot. That's why your family left your ass. Oh, damn. You talking about the family? Bitch, bring your ass here right now. Heck no. Let me build this stupid wall. Alright, how's everything looking, boys? It's looking good, looking good. Alright, yeah, it's looking pretty good. Okay, bring it towards me, bring it towards me. Alright, alright. Alright, start fixing it up, boys. With pleasure. Alright, let's give this bad boy some taste. Hey, I was the one who said shut up to your bitch ass. Come up here. Alright. Ah! Oh, hell no! Oh, hell no! Fuck you! You guys are breaking the damn car! Oh shit! I gotta get out of here. Shit! We here for the jobs. Oh, fuck nah. Oh, fuck nah. What the hell? Yeah, let's leave. Let's leave, boys. Fuck this shit. Oh, yo, guys, run. Well, man, shut your ass up. Dun, dun, dun. Peace.